All right, here's the Kohler Chesil unit fully installed. Installation is complete. It's a 30-inch wide unit. It fits perfectly in this bathroom. There's plenty of space between the toilet and the countertop. And notice the precision of this install with an 1/8 inch clearance between the door lock mechanism and the countertop. Beautiful. Here's what the water looks like on. Plenty of pressure on this beautiful Kohler faucet. All right. And here's what the drawer space looks like. So you can see that right there with soft close. So you can slam these things as hard as you want. All right. Here's the pipe setup right there and the drain situation. Plenty of storage space. Slam those things as much as you want. Here are the legs. And it's just a beautiful unit. Looks great. Was easy to install. Love it.